Okay, for the startup screen, shouldn't there be a way that you can just open your last image or open an image? Because when you select one of these preset features and going into them, it has to load its own library, and then you have to go in and open project. And then choose to do things. There should be a way that you can just open your project and go straight into it. Or even better, if you had maybe a list of your recent projects right on the splash screen, perhaps that's something you can add. So one thing is the scroll wheel coarseness. It's really coarse. It's not really fine-tuned. I know you can go up here and adjust this way, which is nice for the scale, but you're still left with coarse adjustments in here. It would be nice if you could do that. I tried just the window settings for the mouse, and it had no effect on here because this is just what's in it. It would be good if there was a setting. Maybe some people's preference would be more or less, for that example. But let me try and find an example here. Okay, so when you go into your view designer, this is some 360 footage that I'm converting to 2D. The other thing is the audio. I guess, is there a place I'm missing it where I can adjust the audio for the playback? I'm not sure if I missed it or not. But anyway, here's the bug. Let me see if I can produce the bug. Okay, here's the first issue. But if you notice, I can get so far and it won't let me go any further. It keeps fighting me to move this direction. I don't know if it's because I just run out of limit. Seems like I can go a couple passes, but then it kind of, I can spin all the way around, but then it gets stuck. Now, I don't know if this should just overflow in here and then just jump to the next section, but from turning and seeing where I want to go. Let's see if I turn all the way around. Yeah, see, now I can't go here either. It's very quick. If there was a speed control where you could slow down the playback so that you could put your keyframes in, it would be much easier when there's fast moving footage. Right now, see, it's all bouncing around. For some reason it won't let me go any further. I want to go up in this area and I can't get there. So that, and seems like too sometimes the scrolling wheel, now look, it's moving. When I zoom in and out, it's moving the other. Do the error feature. See, notice this is not erroring at all. There we go. After I spin so far, then it stops. See, I was able to do full resolution, 2 resolutions, and then here it's going indefinitely, right? But sometimes it stops. Maybe I'll show the other clip I captured when it was airing. In fact, even sometimes when I was zooming in and out, it would actually start adjusting this Y and Z rotation.